Part 23 of Turning Raw Videos into Viral Bangers.
So many researchers and historians have attempted to retell the story of the Titanic for the world to learn more about the incident. A notable attempt at keeping the story of the Titanic fresh in our minds is the gigantic Titanic Museum in Belfast. There's also another Titanic Museum in Branson, Missouri. In fact, a Chinese shipbuilding company has built a full-size replica of the Titanic as an international tourist attraction. The 1997 blockbuster romance Titanic was one of the most successful movies of all time, grossing over $1 billion at the box office. It featured the adventurous love story of Jack and Rose, which were largely fictional characters. But one important element has been missing in the story of the Titanic, which of course would change how we view that tragic event. It is the story of the Haitian engineer Joseph Philippe Laroche and his wife Julia Laforgue aboard the ill-fated Titanic.